Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Roblox and opening settings. This is where 2SV lives. Once there, go to Security and select two-step verification so you control recovery options. Make sure your primary authenticator or phone number is active before you proceed. Now click Generate Backup Codes. This action creates one-time codes tied to your account. You do this because backup codes let you regain access when your authenticator app or phone is unavailable, so treat them like emergency keys. Once you generate codes, Roblox displays about 10 single-use codes. Copy them immediately. You should store them in a secure place. A reputable password manager is ideal because it encrypts data. Otherwise, write them down and lock them somewhere safe. Avoid cloud screenshots or messaging the codes to anyone, since they're effectively spare keys to your account. After saving, mark which codes you used as you go, because each code only works once. This keeps your recovery options accurate and reliable. When you can't access your authenticator, enter one backup code at the two-step verification prompt to sign in. It consumes that code and restores access immediately. If a code doesn't work, try another unused code because each is one-time use and typos happen. Once you use a code, replace it by generating new backup codes in settings. If you lose every code, contact Roblox support with account verification. Provide purchase history or account creation details so you can prove ownership and recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.